calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name. No one is around you. Say baby I love you if you ain't running game. Say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. The other day I would call, you would say, baby how's your day? But today it ain't the same. Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? If you took it there, first of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played. So prove yourself to me. If I'm the girl that you claim, why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? I know you say that I am assuming things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be no reason why you acting strange. Nobody's holding you back from me. 'Cause I know how you used to do. When you saying everything to me times two. Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody said, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Say baby I love you. Ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name, say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you if you ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. What is up with this? Tell the truth. Who you with? How would you like it if I came over with my clique? Don't try to change it now. Saying you gotta bounce when 2 seconds ago said you just got in the house. It's hard to believe that you are at home by yourself when I just heard the boys, heard the voice of someone else. Just this question, why do you feel you gotta lie? Getting caught up in your game when you cannot say my name. I know you say that I am assuming things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be no reason why you acting strange. If nobody's holding you back from me. 'Cause I know how you used to do. When you saying everything to me times two. Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody's there, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say baby I love you. Ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. Say my name. Calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name. If ain't nothing changed. Baby I love you if you ain't running game. Baby say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh. I know you say that I am assuming things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be no reason why you acting strange. Nobody's holding you back from me. 'Cause I know how you used to do. When you saying everything to me times two. Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody's there, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Baby, I love you. Call me your boo. Say my name, say my name. And tell me what you like to do. Ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name, say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. Say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. Say baby I love you. Say my name, say my name. Say my name. Kinda shady. Say my name. Ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name, say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. Say my name, say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady.
And just like that, our food is ready. Just simple banana and beef stew. Voila! Bon appetit! So it's been like 2 days since you last saw me, guys, undo my hair. Excuse me for the past 2 days. I've had flu, I had red eyes. Actually my eyes are now healing. I couldn't even see, guys. So I just took a time off so that I can just heal, and my voice is at least coming back to normal. So it's been 2 days since I last you saw me guys undo my hair. I usually don't relax my hair immediately after I undo it. I actually wait for like 1 or 2 days so that I can relax. That's just how I do my hair. So today is a relaxing day, and I'm using, as you guys saw me in the haul, I'm using this Dark and Lovely hair relaxer, but I'm not gonna use all of it. I only use like half of it because this thing is expensive. I bought it for 99 rands. If we were to convert this 99 rands, it's not cheap. It's not expensive, but it's not cheap as well. As we all know, the kit comes with everything inside. Maybe for the benefit of those who don't know, it has instruction manual. You can easily read that. It comes with gloves, 2 gloves, and a spatula, a stick, or whatever you want to call that. And then it also comes with this is a new thing I think they've put in. It's also written new. It's a wonder protector, whatever. So you use this after shampoo your hair thoroughly with the neutralizing shampoo and deep condition with the restorative treatment. Rinse well, towel dry, apply entire content, wonder potion, and leave-in conditioner sachet. I think this is kind of like a leave-in conditioner that you use so that it makes like your styling easy. It comes with coconut oil. It has coconut oil. This is something new they've put in the packet. And you also get your, I believe, oh, this is the cream activator. This is the cream activator to mix your relaxer with, and this is conditioner, right? Yeah, this is the conditioner. I believe it is the conditioner with shampoo thoroughly. Yeah, I believe this is the conditioner. And then it comes with a shampoo. I think for the price, honestly, it's worth it. It comes with a shampoo, and then you have the relaxer. So with me, I don't want to use all of it. Like, I want to use half of it and then leave half so that I can retouch again. If that will work out, I believe it will. I'll take my time. So the relaxer is like that inside. So the goal of today is to relax my hair. After I relax, I'm going to immediately put this styling gel that I got in a PR package. It was actually just a gift. It was not some content that we're supposed to shoot. It's just a gift, but I want to use this and create content with it for Instagram. It looks like that. Where is this camera focusing? Oh, damn you. So it's like that. So after relaxing, I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna buy a braid real quick, and then we'll style our hair.
Yeah, murder.
I love you, babe. I love you, babe. Oh, babe.
Chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh, baby, when you're kissing me. Oh, baby, when you're loving me. I can't describe what I want to do to you tonight. Oh, baby, when you come to me.
all done. We're looking all smart and clean and put together. So I'm just gonna quickly show you guys some of the things that I bought. If you watch my previous vlog, I say that I am starting now. I'm not even waiting for New Year resolution or anything like that. I am starting now, and I am starting to buy clothes now. Like, I've been sleeping on myself. I've been just busy doing skincare and stuff, but with clothes I've just been sleeping on myself. And clothes are very cheaper here in South Africa, and I just don't know why I was not buying. So now each time I go out, I come back with something. Like, I made it a goal that each time I go out, I have to hop into a shop and grab something. So the first thing that I got is this, what you call this, guys? Is this a romper? Is this a, what you call this? Is this a jumpsuit? I don't know, but you know, the color, for the color, I actually wanted this thing for a very long time, guys, and I was just like, yeah, I'll come and get it, just like they were saying in my previous video, I'll come and get it, I'll come and get it, and I never do. But I wish this one, it's kind of like giving winter vibes, because it's now it's summer, it's hot, you can't wear this. They do have sleeveless ones, I've seen them somewhere. So I got this one because I'm so in love with the color. Like, this color and my skin complexion, we are in the same WhatsApp group, that I know. So I'll probably maybe go and look for a black one which is sleeveless, a black or any other color which is sleeveless that I can wear during summer. And as I showed you guys, it's very nice to style this with a cardigan, with what you call this, like, is that a cardigan? Yeah, with the kimono cardigan kind of thing. You can actually walk like this, but somebody like me, I can't do that, so I have to wear something on top of it. I just love it, I just love it. And this was 100 rands. I bought this for 100 rands. Okay, and the second thing that I got, where are they? The second thing that I got, as I told you, I don't know if I shared this in my previous vlog, I feel like green is the color of 2024, because I'm seeing a lot of greens, and I'm like, me, I'm all here for it. I'm here for it, because why not? Green is good, green is cute. So I got this cute top, a green top. It's just a basic green tea top, even though I feel like I should have gotten a size medium, because small is so tight. I hope when I wash it, it's gonna expand. So I got this one, and this was 40 rands. And then I got this basic black tights. I'm not so happy with these tights because they are so transparent. That's number one, very transparent. Like, literally whatever you're wearing inside, if it's not black like this, you'll see it. I'm sure you can even see, like, it's so transparent that I can even see through. Like, I can see you guys, I can see through the camera with this. So I'm not so happy with this, maybe the quality, and also the legs down here, maybe because I'm so tall, I'm not that tall, maybe because I'm tall, it's just they're not going all the way down, and I kind of don't like that. So I got this come in two, it's a pair of two, so two is for 100 rand. I shared with someone, I got the black one and the other person took the other color. And then I got this beautiful, this is a workout, it's a workout tight. The quality is insane, guys, insane. Please excuse the noise outside, people are just being who they are. The quality of these tights, even the camera, guys, it's not even doing justice. The quality is crazy. It's such a great quality, and it has pockets here. It comes with pockets on the side. Like, it's so good, and I'm so in love with the color. Me, I love all things white. Like, all things white, whatever is white, I'm getting it. I am getting it without hesitation. So I'm gonna look for a top to wear with this so that I can motivate myself to work out if I do. But I can also just wear this as a loungewear at home. And then we got ourselves shoes. I think I showed you guys this in the haul. These shoes are so good, guys. These were 90 rands. I got them in size 5. I wear size 5 or 6. I got them in size 5, and you know, they're kind of like matching with this. They're kind of going. I know these kind of shoes, they really complement my skin tone, especially my legs, because my legs are a bit darker than my upper body. So when I wear this color, it kind of like pops, it brings out the blackness, it's kind of like pops, and you know what I mean. So I got these are 90 rands. And finally the last thing, I got this also, these shoes in size 5. They were also on sale. This one sale, not also on sale, this one sell for 50 rands. So I got these as well. It's summertime now, so you know what, let's make the most of it. So they have like a gold detailing right here. I hope this doesn't come off. I hope it doesn't come off, even though I'm not so happy with the design over here. Being a person who is like slim and long legs, this kind of cut really suits me instead of this. But I tried them on, they were not so bad. So we got these, and that's it, my love. That's it, guys. That's it. That's all I got. I'm sure with the next vlog I'm gonna get something else. So you people should just get used to this whole going on in these videos. I'm going to end the video here, my love. It's currently 6 o'clock right now. I'm gonna end the video here, sit down, edit, and so that I can post it for you guys, and then maybe tomorrow we can start another video, because consistency is key. You know, we are trying. God help us. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, whatever that is going on in my life. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Hope you guys have subscribed to my channel. If you haven't, please do subscribe. It doesn't take anything from you, just subscribe. And you can also turn your post notifications on, and if you can, also share the video. If you feel like you're vibing with my vlogs, you can also share the video with someone else. You never know, they might like and stay here. And also guys, please do leave your comments in the comment section. I love reading comments, guys. I love. It's so heartwarming reading your comments. Even if you just comment an emoji, that's not a problem with me. You can do that. Hope you guys are doing fantastic and well, and you are preparing for Christmas. Today is, what's the date today? Today is 19 actually, as I film this video right now. Hope you guys are preparing for Christmas, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, please do take care of yourselves. Peace and out.